Hello, welcome to the class of HTML5 programming. So today we are going to discuss about the CSS padding property. So here the CSS padding property is used to configure empty space between the content of the HTML element and the border. So by default the value of this padding element is set to 0. So we can set the value of this padding element. So here we can also set the background color for the padding. Here I have declared the background color in this program. So here in this program you can see that in head section I had declared the style element, and within style I had declared the division selector and then its declaration part. So in declaration part, first of all I add the border property by defining its width, then its style and then its color. And after that I declare its padding property by giving the value to its top padding, then the left padding, then right, and then this is for the bottom padding, and then this is for the background color of this padding, that is given as sea green. And in coming to the body section, here I declare this division section here in body part. So if you will run this program, go to run and launch in Chrome. Let's see how it will display in the browser. So it will display like this in the browser. So here if you will write, here I have given the value for the top padding, left padding, right padding and the bottom padding. So if you will write here these two values, and like here 50 pixel and 50 pixel, and now save the program and refresh it. So you can see that there is a change in both the left, right and top bottom padding, because here this 50 pixel declares the top and bottom both of the paddings, and here this 50 pixel will declare the left and right padding. And if you will write here only this value, and if you will save it and refresh the browser, so here it will work for all the four sides, that is left, right and top, bottom. So in this way we can declare the value for this padding property. Next is I have given the background color to the sea green. So there is one more element that is known as linear gradient. So here this linear gradient property, it's configure a linear blending of shades from one color to another. Like here I am declaring it, remove this part, and with background, after using colon, write here linear, then gradient. And now you have to define the colors. Like here I am red and yellow color. Here I am defining these two colors. Let's see how will it display in the browser. So save it and refresh the browser. So there is some error in this linear. Save it and refresh it. So it will display like this. So here the linear gradient, it configures a linear blending of the shades. So here it's giving the red and yellow shades. Same way there is one more property, that is radial gradient. So this property configures a radial or the circular blending of a shape from one color to another. Like here if I replace this linear gradient with radial gradient. So now save the program and refresh it. So it will display like this. So here it is defined by its center, and it's configure a radial or the circular blending of these two colors, red and yellow color. You can also define three colors, like here if I write here next color be green, and now save the program and refresh the browser. So it will display like this. So in this way you can also add the radial gradient or the linear gradient values to the background color. So this is all about CSS padding property. Thank you.